Alright guys, welcome again to my tutorial video on how you can easily fund, deposit money or withdraw money from your Bybit account. Today video, just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share this video across your community so that people will like and to see this video as a value for them. And comment below, let me know your thought in this video so that if you are getting value from this particular YouTube channel. So let's jump in. So once you log in on your web browser like this, later on I will make a video on how you can use it on your mobile app later, but this is just a web version video on how you can operate your Bybit account on your web browser. So let's jump into the video. So if you want to easily fund your Bybit, it's that simple. You're gonna come to your account here, assets area. You can see where I click. Come to asset area. You're gonna try to click on this, either withdraw or deposit. Let's say I want to put money into my Bybit account. There are different ways. Let me click on this deposit right now. All right. So you can easily select, we normally use USDT to trade on Bybit. Yes. Or you can use either USDC. All right. These are the new one, but we normally use either, if you have a Bitcoin, you can use any currency you want. But let me just use, for the sake of this video, I will use USDT. So when I use USDT, I will now to select my my network. Let's say I want to use Tron network, TRC20. Right now, I will now have my wallet address for me to send from any other wallets, either MEXC or Binance. So I will now copy this wallet right now. So I'll now go back to this area, to my other wallet like MEXC, wherever. So I'll put all the link down below this video, either the MEXC and the Bybit down below this video. Just make sure to register, and it's very simple and easy. So when you come to your MEXC account or any other wallet you are using, you're gonna try to come to this particular area. Come to this. You can click on this withdraw. When you come to wallet area, you're gonna click on this. Just make sure to allow it to load up. You can, it's that simple and easy. You can see this is the interface of this account, alright, of MEXC. It's just a tutorial for you guys to know how to do it, how to withdraw from your other wallet. Then you're gonna try to come to this withdraw button right now. Then you're gonna try to come to this area. You're gonna click agree. Then you're gonna try to come to this where the right wallet address. It's that simple. You're gonna try to paste the wallet address here. Alright. Then don't forget, you have to select the wallet given to you, and automatically the company has already, the system has already give me the TRS network. You can, if your wallet or any thing you are using doesn't give you this particular, you have to click on this area. Then you select the network. This is TRC. All right, you select it like this. Then let's say I want to send like $20 or let's say I want to send $20 from this account. I'm going to do this way, $20. Then I'm going to click on this submit. So right now, but I will receive $19. I will receive $19. They will charge me what? They will charge me $1. But if you don't want to use this particular wallet, all right, if you don't want to use this particular wallet, you can come to your Bybit account again and change this, because for free, I recommend to go for this one. This Binance. Can you see this is Binance Web20 network? Yeah. You can change, confirm. You can see this one is totally free. They are not charging any money. You come to this here, then you go back to your MEXC account. You can change, you can cancel this one and put in the Web20 network. It's totally free. Then you come to this area and select Web20. Can you see? BSC is totally free. You are not sending any money. So let's say I want to send $20 here. I'm gonna try to put in $20. It's that simple. I will not, can you see, it's totally free. They will not charge him any single money. So if for a beginner like you, you can use the Web20 network for transferring money from one exchange to another for free. You don't need to pay any single money, any extra charges. You're gonna try to click on submit. Then you're gonna put all your information. All your, your security. You click on submit. You come to submit here. Then you click on submit. Then you need to just verify and everything and do that. Then the money will be sent to your Bybit account. It's that simple. Then when the money is sent to your Bybit account, you're gonna I'll show you the area you're gonna try to find the money. You can come to this when you come to assets, you're gonna see your money shown on your account like this. So after you transfer the money, I'm just trying to show you a tutorial video on how to do that. Then you can see the money will be shown here. The money will be shown here. So another way you can easily fund, you don't have USDT, you can also use the one of P2P. You come to assets. Okay, so let me just show you right now. If you don't have money to either USDT from any of your accounts, you can easily come to so if you don't have money to if you don't have USDT on your other wallet, so you can just come to this particular area. You can come to buy crypto here. When you click on buy crypto here, you can see P2P. P2P is zero fee. They are not charging any single money. You can come to here. You have to trade with another merchant so that you can exchange order to to buy and sell USDT from your with your fiat currency. You can see this is the P2P area where you can sell, buy. I will make a video for that later. So, and you can see this is the interface of buying and selling crypto on on P2P on this area. So you can use that one to just buy. So if you want to buy, you can just try to select a a trusted you come to filter here to find a good one, a shown verified, then eligible to add, then then less than 15 minutes, we are done. Eligible, verify, show block advertiser. Then you click on confirm. That's, you can see they will bring you the one that are very legit people who are willing to buy from them. You can then you select the amount. You can change your money to either with Naira. If you are Nigerian, NGN, you can go for Naira here. Since you are from, can you see this is Nigerian? Can you see I'm changing to Nigerian because I'm from Nigerian? You can see. Then I select all the filter. I want to only verify advertiser less than 30 minutes or 15 minutes. I'm done. Then you can see this is the current price of USDT. So this is how you can go into do it. All right. So you put the money you want to, either 50,000 naira or 10,000 naira. All right. You want to buy. Then you click on this filter must be here. Confirm. Then you can select any of these verify advertiser to buy from them. You're gonna try to click on this buy USDT right now with your fiat currency. Then you click on this 50,000 naira. All right, you are going to get 32 USDT. Then you click on buy. Then you are going to see the details of the person. Then you make the payment. It's that simple and easy. So this is very simple, and you can just buy and sell crypto from your how you can fund your account with how you can fund your Bybit account. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do well to subscribe, like, and share. In my other video, I'll show you guys how you can easily buy and sell with your fiat currency in my next coming video. Just make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right, it's that simple and easy, guys. Thank you guys. Bye for now, guys.